Yep guys, this is Codecrafter and bug. Hindi ko maayos yung bug. So in my account source I forgot to put the, so let's see here, the news ay yun, mali the number what the heck ay tayo dyan boy, shit, wala tayong contact number. Structure Octay. By the way, this is Codecrafter and we still have a missing contact number. Tomorrow, that's it. Peace out.